Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we will unbox and assemble these two 1:12 motorcycle by Maisto. One is Ducati 1199 Panigale and BMW S1000 RR. So let's start with the Ducati first. I bought this at Winners for $15 a few months ago, and this is the only time I can assemble these and show it to you guys. So let's begin. So as you can see, it's a book type box as usual for the assembly line by Maisto. I have this in 1:18 scale, but I figured I'm gonna buy 1:12 just to show you guys how to assemble it. So let's start. So the box is pretty nice actually, and yeah, what's inside is these, and we will take it out from the box. Here it is guys, so the Ducati Panigale is finished, and this is the finished motorcycle. It's actually nice, detailed. I like the headlight. Nice. Okay, so let's start the BMW. So the BMW S1000 RR is same with the box, book type box. Maisto assembly line. Same price. I bought this $15 at Winners. Nice. So let's open it. So here it is guys, the BMW S1000 RR finished. I'm missing some screw, but I know where it goes. I'm just gonna put it, and yeah, nice. So now I have two BMW. So that's it for this episode guys. Thank you for watching. So this is your 1:12 Maisto assembly line motorcycle Ducati 1199 Panigale and the BMW S1000 RR. Thank you guys for watching. Please, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you love this video, please share it, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We're almost there, and see you guys next time. Bye.